Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm here today. You know, we had started these plans, and some of our members, our subscriber had joined these plans, starter, premium. The most request we received for the premium and uh, advance as well. So now in this video, I'm going to show you that have we have just send all the profit to our subscribers, to our clients, and as we said here, after 15 business days you will get your profit. This person, the desired person, that is mentioned here. Okay, it's not fixed. Maybe you can get for 43% instead of 40 or 45%. Okay, so in today video I'm going to show you some our clients feedbacks, and they receive their profits. And one more thing, now you can join these plans if you want for the next coming months. Okay, so and this is not one time. Every 15 days you will get same profit. You will get same profit according to the person, and you will get you will get more and more. And even you can cancel your subscription at any time you want. Okay, and for the cancel of subscription you can check here, cancel subscription. There are some policy terms and conditions, but it's very simple. So let me show you some proofs here. So here I will show you some proofs, and you can see on the screen. This is the first, and here I think around 9 to 10%. Yes, I think 9% had joined. So and these all get their profits, and you can see the feedbacks as well. You can see the feedbacks as well, and everything here, how much they invested and how they are getting everything you can see here. And some of them use BTC, USDT, Skrill, and Perfect Money, etc. It's not a problem. Okay, so these are the feedback from our clients, and they got their profit. Okay, so I hope you like this video. And maybe some of you was thinking that I didn't share the video about the profits for our clients, but now I have done this. And now let's switch for the trading. So let's do some trades now. Okay, so I'm going to place here one trade, high option. I placed this trade because I already marked a level here, horizontal line. And this is OTC market. In OTC we can see some gap down and gap up as well. So let's see what happened here. This entry is late actually. If I place after gap down, it will be more good for me, but let's see what will happen here. I will win this trade or I will lose this trade. Let's see. Okay, so anyhow, if I lose this trade, I will cover it here. I will show you, because okay, I won this trade. So this is a winning trade. Yes. Okay, here market is making red green pattern, so it should be red green candle. Okay, so okay, I placed my trade, and entry is yes, good. Because you know this green candle should be a type of medium sized candle or a type of healthy candle. So I will definitely win this trade, because in a previous market, I can see that every time green candle is healthy and a type of bigger in size. So you see I won this trade also. Okay, so let's see, here is a level, resistance level, and if the market close at this level here, I will try to place my trade to lower option. Okay, I'm going to place a lower option. Okay, late entry again. I told you that because of OTC, you will face these type of complicated things in entry. Here you can see again, this is late entry. Because of my entry, I can lose this trade. Even this will be a doji candle, so I may lose this trade, but not a problem. I will recover it in new trade if I lose this trade. Okay, so you have to trade with money management, and you have to trade at the key points. When you have knowledge, you can definitely make profit in this market. Even if you are trading any platform, you can make profit. So okay, I won this trade too. Only only at the point I won this trade because of my luck, I think. Okay, here I think yes, I'm going okay, very good. So this is the amazing entry point. I told you also at the entry. This is very good entry point, and if you take this type of entry, you will definitely win the trade. So this will be my last trade, and I hope you will like this video. And if you people are interested to join these plans, link in the description. You can contact us via telegram, via email, and via Instagram as well. So I hope you like my videos, and if you want that I should make some more videos, quality videos for you, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also do some good comments, because I'm doing everything for you guys. Okay, I'm not getting anything for YouTube or your site. Okay, so I want this trade also. So okay, thank you for watching my video. I will come with a new video soon. Thank you.